was just thinking I could do some damage on this. It's really flickable, isn't it?
I think that's harder to turn than this.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I felt like going into those corners, I could just really kind of nail it around the corners. The front's definitely a bit, you can still feel the clatters, but it feels a bit slicker, but the travel's a bit smoother. I'd say that your front and rear, my rear feels like the same, but my front's a bit more clattery. Which when you speed up a bit, you can start to notice.
Maybe I need to turn the low speed compression up a bit on that.
But these shocks are definitely slicker than mine, the front forks.
Low speed compression.
What do you think of the brakes?
Fine.
Yeah, these feel alright.
No, these are better.
Yeah, there's a bit of sponge to these, but once you've gone past that, they're okay.
Yeah, but these are far better.
Yeah.
Nice.
You can tell the difference in weight.
Oh yeah.
This feels a lot more kind of, when you're going from side to side, there's a lot less there than there is.
But I thought this was a lot easier to turn.
Oh, right.
I was going around them berms a lot.
Maybe just the overall size of it fits you better.
Possibility.
I mean, it's a medium, but I've got to put the flatter bars on, so there's a bit more cockpit space, because it's a touch small for me.
Well, I could reduce that head angle again by bringing those forks down again.
Yeah. Yeah, you go first.
Still take it steady.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bomb it on your bike. You look smoother on that, actually. Yeah. The strange thing is you look smoother on that and I feel smoother on this. And the other thing is, I realise we've gone a lot slow down there, but usually I'd get off now. And
you know what, I don't think you have. I
Yeah,
don't
maybe.
think you've gone slower down there. I've certainly gone quicker down that than I did on that.
Whereas I've just got off this and there's no arm pump at all.
I was taking it easier on this.
Yeah.
Smoother.
Yeah.
This turns corners far better than that.
This is a lot more skittery, so you have to be a lot more positive about the entry, because when you start turning, this turns a lot quicker. So if you overdo it, if you muscle it, it doesn't work.
I don't have that. I don't feel that at all. Right.
The main thing I can feel with this is just a lot less mass below me.
No, I thought this is a dream in the corners for me.
Well, we can do a swap. Yeah, you look a lot more confident on that.
It's just dialed into my way of turning.
Probably, yeah.
Brilliant.
Whereas to me, this going over those routes, then for me, this feels a lot kind of. I don't feel like I'm fighting the bike.
Look at the distance. That's why. I need to bring that up a bit.
Yeah, it could be.
Get some spaces on it. Bring it up.
Well, maybe I need to bring mine. I can't bring mine down. No,
You don't want to change the steering on this. No way.
I quite like this. This suits me. The only thing I'd do is I'd want the bars out of touch where it feels a bit cramped. So I'm tending to do.
I'm going to see what it's like in a straight line now.
Yeah. So. I'm over-correcting on the corners. I'm going it because I'm used to that. I'm kind of going like that. It's too much. This is more about. This feels like it's more about shifting the weight, whereas that feels like it's more about using a bit more of this.
Well, I've always thought it's been a tad small for me.
Yeah, it does feel a bit.
No, it was fine when I bought it, but now I've got the capper, I feel it's a bit small.
Yeah.
Raising that up might help.
Yeah, it does feel a touch small. Well, certainly for me.
Right. There we go. I'm not going to try the black.
Nah. Go wherever you like. I'd change on this, I'd have the cockpit a bit bigger and I'd have more brakes on it.
How much are these brakes?
Oh, they come up dirt cheap on, I can't remember off the top of my head, they're not expensive. I got them off Chain Reaction, they have a sale on Shimano brakes every now and again. So I've just waited for the sale to come round and got them. They're, as I say, they're a bit grabby at the minute.
No, they're fine.
Yeah, these feel like there's a bit too much sponge for me.
Yeah, you really have to squeeze hard to get the power down on the brake.
There's a bit. It feels like there's a bit of a dead zone.
Like it, mate. I like it.
Well, available for offers. Yeah. Definitely lighter to push.
Yeah, I know what you mean.
Feel the weight.
So all I've got to do is basically adjust it so the handlebar height is the same as yours.
Yeah.
And that should do the trick.
How heavy are you?
16.
year, that's roughly what I was. And it could just be that me losing like 3/4 a stone is just making it feel a bit jittery. But that feels alright. What have you got that set up for?
15.5.
Yeah, well that's probably, that feels quite smooth to me.
I counted camelback and things
Yeah.
when I did it, I think. Do you want to give the saddler a bash that way?
Which way?
On the front, bash it to the centre. Bash it towards the centre.
Oh, I don't know what you're on about. Looks fine to me, what's wrong with it? Oh, right. Oh, I wouldn't notice anyway.
Right, something for me to fiddle with tonight.
Yeah, I'd definitely consider some of them brakes on it. I think you'd find a big difference.
You know, I might even
Yeah,
that's got the edge. That's got where you got the edge.
yeah.
That was hell of a clattery just up there.
You feel like you're like this, don't you?
Yeah, yeah.
Well, I'd normally be getting here and my arms would be pumped, whereas that nothing at all. Absolutely nothing at all.
Makes me feel better now.
Yeah.
You've got the edge. But you've always had the edge on the corners with me.
To be honest, I think after a couple of rides I could ride this quick around the corners because it just feels like it wants to suddenly. This is a lot more darted than that. That's more planted. So that feels like you can rail the corner more.
Yeah.
But this feels like you can shove it round a bit more.
We'll skip out.
Yeah. The other thing I noticed when you go across those drainage,
Yeah,
you just lean back slightly, and the first time I lifted it like I was on that, and the front went like that feels like a lead weight when you're trying to lift it.
I'm not liking going down this.
What do you want to swap?
Because it's rough as fuck down this. And do you let it go down this?
Well, I've got the brakes on.
Right, because I just let it go.
Well, I can't. Well, don't try that on that because you'll be getting jumped all over the place.
Right.
Unless you want to swap.
I'll give it a go downside, see what it's like.
Just be careful with the brakes because the back might skip out if you suddenly grab a handful.
Well, I'll take a chance down here.
Yeah.
But just down here, if you lean back, you can take that, just go all the way down. It'll skip you around a bit. You can take that all the way down.
Oh well, if you can keep hold of the bars doing it on that, I'll be impressed.
Let's do it then.
Yeah, I'll be you first then.
Be surprised if I don't.
I'll take it nice and slow on this. Don't want to damage it.